Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. Looking for my unboxing knife, which is your Kershaw Launch 10. Everything's in your face right now because this box has my address and stuff on it. So I'm gonna Launch 10, address box cut, so you guys can see that it's happening, but realistically, don't really want to share my information with everybody. Although I might as well, because I think enough people have it. Ronnie says hello to all the EDC fans out there. He will be an EDC guy. Yep, paper. Yep. Okay, that's a Gerber. Ronnie knows Gerbers. Yeah. Alright. I think we have two knives here, and I have no idea what these are. Excuse the tinfoil, that's not helpful at all. So, we have two knives here, and I remember him saying, don't get excited, Civivi lovers, I don't think that's a Civivi. But I don't necessarily remember. So, without further ado, let's check out this one. Oh, I forgot the name of that. But I don't even remember why I traded for it. Actually, it's pretty snappy. Sorry for the dirty hands, just got off of work. Trying to knock out these videos real quick. Yes, I know I got dirty ass hands, don't really care. So I'm going to get you guys the name of this. This obviously is a Gerber, but I don't remember which one. And I haven't reviewed a Gerber in a long time, and I'm actually not too mad about that. It's not a bad, there's no up. Ooh, there's a little bit of up and down, but maybe it's just the lock bar flexing. It's got no real lock stick, it's just a tight lock in there. It goes just fine. Action's just fine. Not mad at that. That's a cool little design. And let's sit down here now that Ronnie's not sitting in my seat. Alright, next. I'm gonna go do this. I'll do some quick cut tests. I don't remember what this one is either. Is this the Emphasis? I think this is the Emphasis. I'm not sure. Or no, the Efficient, maybe. Ooh, that's cool. That is cool. S30V for this tiny little son of a bitch. Wow. So the ergonomics on this, which I'm going to call it the Efficient just for the sake of just continuing on with the video, but I'm pretty sure it's the Efficient. Maybe it's a little later. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't think the Efficient came in an S30V now that I'm thinking about it. And I don't remember what I traded for these. Clearly just trying to get knives that I haven't handled yet to experience them. And I'm kind of excited about at least one of them. The other one, the Gerber, I'm not excited about. I just, I'm more excited about this guy. Super slicey. And then this one, the Gerber. In typical Gerber fashion. Yeah. This one is going to need some work here. But, whatever this is, like I said, it might be the little native or something. This thing's stupid sharp and actually super cool for a tiny little guy. Super fidgety and just super fun, actually. That's cool. These are both pretty cool. I'm excited that I got my hands on these. Hold on. So I'm excited that I got my hands on both of these. These are pretty sweet. Alright, guys. Well, this might be the Gerber Fastball, maybe. I'm not 100%, so I'll put the names in the description or in the video or something of that nature. This is just an unboxing to show you guys what these knives are, and I don't even remember what they are. The ergonomics on the Spyderco is actually pretty sweet. And then the ergos on, I think this is a Fastball. Not bad. It's not bad at all. This, I need to look up the price, because if the price is what I'm thinking, like it's... See here. This is S30V2. I think this comes in at a decent price. If this comes in at the price that I'm thinking, then this might be a very, very good knife for the price. And it's a very cool little guy. So, as you can see next to what I'm guessing is the little native, or... you guys are going to kill me. I don't freaking know. Never held it, but it's super cool. Anyways, this was a very uninformative video. Just kind of showing off some knives, doing the unboxings. And... thank you. Oh, this has a name on it. The Fastball. That is the Fastball. All right. All right. Yeah. So my name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Sorry this one was kind of just all over the place. And you guys have a great day.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.